Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the advanced data structures like this one, try, heap. We saw the examples with basically try and heap, and other data structures I have explained in the I have explained already. So I have kept it in the this one other playlist. You can just refer that if you are solving the problems on other data structures like segment tree and victory or the dynamic programming and other concepts, arrays, string manipulation, bit manipulation, any topic that I have kept it in the data structures and other this thing playlist, right? You can just refer that. If you are solving the only thing is if you are solving the data structures and the problem solving in this thing, JavaScript or the Node. So all the problems are just solved using the JavaScript or the Node. So today we'll be discussing on the binary and the bitwise operations. Let's see what are binary and the bitwise operations. Binary and the bitwise operations basically allow the manipulations of the binary data at the bit level, enabling efficient mathematical calculations and data encoding. Let's see how to make use of the bitwise AND operator initially. The example we'll be going with. Let's see how to make use of the bitwise AND operator. Let me quickly give a equals 5 and let b equals 3. So here I'll just make use of console log of a and b. So here the output that we need to get here is 1, right? So in binary the 5 is 1 0 1 basically. In binary 3 is 0 1 1. You can just google it and get the binary values for 5 and 3. So this will be in binary this will be 0 0 1. Basically the output that we need to get here is 1. Let's try to log first. Here let me comment this one as well. So we are getting the output 1. Why? So here in while I am making use of the AND operator, bitwise AND operator. So two values has to be 1, then only the output will be 1 here. So 1 and 0 will be 0, 0 and 1 will be 0, and 1 1 will be 1, right? 0 0 1 we got nothing but 1, right? So the output that we are getting here is 1. So the output here that we got is correct. So what we are doing here, the operation compares each bit of a and b. That's what I have said, right? The operation compares each bit of a and b here, and only bits that are 1 in both operands remain 1, as I have said clearly here. 1 1 will be 1, 0 1 and 1 0 will be 0. So the output that we got here is in binary it will be 0 0 1. Basically it will be 1, right? So I hope this is completely clear. Next we will go with the example for checking odd or even. This is simple. I'll just give here, let num equals some number. I'll just take, let me consider 6. So let me quickly log here num and 1. If it is equal to 0, even. So here I'll quickly come here. It's even, or I'll just set this one to the odd within the string, right? So output that we have to get here is the number we have considered is 6. So when I try running the code, obviously we have to get the output even, right? Let's see. So yeah, we are getting the output even. Let me quickly explain what I have done here. So the least significant bit of the even number is always 0. We have considered here, I am quickly telling here, the least significant bit of the even number is always 0. We are making use of the bitwise AND, right? Bitwise AND with 1, it will isolate the last bit to check if the number is odd or even. Again, I am telling this one. Bitwise AND we are making use of basically we are making use of the bitwise AND with 1. You can clearly see here number and 1. Bitwise AND with 1, what it will do, it will isolate the last bit to check if the number is odd or even. Again, I'm telling, this is the important thing. Bitwise AND with 1 will isolate the last bit to check if the number is odd or even. If it is equal to 0, then we are setting this one to even, and if it is not, then it is we are setting this one to the odd. As we have considered the number 6, we know that the output that we have to get is even, right? So we are getting the output even, which is completely correct. I hope the concept of this one, binary and bitwise operations, is completely clear. So I insist to do some to try out with some more examples, basically, so that you will understand the concept better. Not only bitwise and try to implement the bitwise left, right, bitwise shift operators as well. The bitwise left shift, right shift, as well as the or operator. These things, please do try so that you'll understand the concept uh, better. So the next concept we'll be discussing on here is the JavaScript algorithms. So let's try to I'll just explain the simple one sorting algorithm and searching algorithm. So I have already made the playlist on the some around 25 important algorithms in the JavaScript, where I have explained uh, most of the sorting, and I have explained the sorting and the searching algorithms, whether it may be linear search, binary search, quick sort, merge sort, this thing, merge sort, all the sorting algorithms, whether it may be quick sort, merge sort, bubble sort, and other things, etc. Right? So that I have explained it quite clearly. So I'll just quickly explain only one basic sorting algorithm and the searching algorithm, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.